Today, I'll be showing you how to use your MoleScope. First, open your MoleScope box, where you'll find your quick start guide, MoleScope Device, disposable contact caps, an extra set of batteries, and your disinfectant gel. Next, to set up your MoleScope, pull out the Remove Before Use tag at the bottom of the device. Gently attach the MoleScope device to your smartphone. There is no need to use heavy pressure. Slide the device until it fully covers your phone's camera and turn on the light when you're ready to image. MoleScope's rubber attachments are specifically made for a variety of smartphones and accommodate for different cameras. Depending on your phone, they will either slide down or to the right to fit to the camera. Now, over to the MoleScope app. Once you've downloaded the app and created your account, you are ready to add a mole. Simply press the Add Mole button in the bottom right corner. You'll be taken to a 3D body map. Move the body by tapping the body icons or dragging, and place the mole by tapping. When ready, tap Next to add images. Select the overview icon and position yourself to take the image. Tap the screen to help focus, and when ready, take the image by hitting the camera icon. Next, you may crop it. Once you're happy with the image, hit the checkmark button to save. To take the dermoscopic image, tap the MoleScope icon in the bottom right corner. Then gently attach the MoleScope to your phone, and turn on the device's light when ready. The contact cap is to be pressed firmly on the skin with disinfectant gel, as it increases the ability to obtain clear images. Tap the screen to help focus the image, and when ready, take the image by hitting the camera icon. That's all there is to it.